So my dogs are scared of the humidifier. What is that doing, Disney? What is it? What is it? No, it's okay. It's just a humidifier. It just makes moist air. Moist. It's okay, Disney. Oh, he's okay. It's okay. Come on, it's all right. Come here. That's a humidifier. See? I'm gonna touch it. It's okay. It's just making moisture out of this hole. Come on. Disney, it's... I mean, it's all right. Are you sure? Disney, it's okay. I mean, it's just a humidifier, hon. It's okay. But are you okay, hon? Come here, Ella. Ella, come here, Cinderella. Ella, come here. Come on, Ella. You want to come say hi to the humidifier? It's okay. Come on. Oh, she's like, no. She's like, fuck this shit, I'm out. Disney, it's okay. Disney Renee. It's okay. Ruff, ruff. Oh, yeah? That's a coffee table. That's not the dehumidifier. Or the humidifier. Ella, hey, it's over here, honey. Come on, you want to come say hi? Disney, sweetheart, it's all right. Come here, baby. Here, Daddy's going to turn it off, see? Well, look at that. It's not doing anything anymore. Oh, honey. Come here. Come on. Oh, okay, here. Well, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put it right up here. So look, we're going to put it right up here. We're going to put it on the kitchen counter. There we go. It's up there on the kitchen counter. Okay, we're good. I love you, girls. You're all right. You good girl. Hi, Disney. Oh, hi, sweetheart. So my dogs are scared of a little tiny $20 Walmart humidifier. Yeah. All right, goobers.